PBS Kids.id logo bloopers. Number 2. Cut. Dot. Looks like you broke the camera. Why did you do that? Oops, I'm very sorry about that. I think I ran too fast and pushed my hand too hard and it broke. Oh God, looks like we'll have to get new camera. Once we do that, let's have take 2. Cut. This is not Nickelodeon. This is PBS Kids. And I think the audio kind of sounds like the kids laughing, just like in that one Nickelodeon light bulb logo. Oops. Sorry about that. Also, you are not supposed to have a different color. You're supposed to have a normal color, okay, Dot? Oops. Sorry about that. Let's have another shot. Take 3. Cut. Dot. This is not Cartoon Network. This is PBS Kids. Also, you're not supposed to have speed. You're supposed to have it normal. And you're not supposed to have a grayscale background. Oops, sorry about that. We'll have to take it again. Take 4. Number. Cut. It's not supposed to be, mirrored. It's supposed to be normal. Sorry. Takes 5. Or 6. Whatever.
Go!
Cut. Dot. Why did you just say dough? Just like Homer from The Simpsons. Oops, sorry about that. And why, is the background yellow? Why did I just say it's not supposed to be yellow? Oops, sorry. Oh, take it again. Huh? Where's the sound coming from? Did you do it? No, I didn't. I didn't make that sound. Then who done it?
I did.
Whoa, cut. Class Geek Suppo Robot. You're not supposed to be here.
I'm getting a full Rugrats and all grown up.
Sorry, but Rugrats and All Grown Up doesn't air on Nickelodeon no more. Get out of the studio.
Oh, wait.
Alright, now that the Class Geek Suppo Robot is gone, now let's take it again. Take again. Cut. It's not supposed to be grayscale. It's supposed to be normal. Alright, take again. Number. Cut. It's not supposed to be red. It's supposed to be green. Take again. So the take I'm actually on is 9. Whoa. Okay, cut. Iggy Koopa, what are you doing in here?
Oops, I'm very sorry. I wanted to show them how smart I am and how crazy I am and how handsome I am. I wanted them to like me. I'm such a Nintendo character, you know.
Yes, you are a Nintendo character, Iggy Koopa. But still, you're not supposed to be in the PBS Kids.id logo. Let's try it again. Take 10. Cut. It's not supposed to. The camera's not supposed to knock down. Oh wait. Take number 11.
Oh no, cut.
Oh, nose cut. It's not supposed to be knocked down. Let's try again. Take 12. Cut. You're not supposed to mute it. You're supposed to, put it in normal. Okay, Dot? Whoops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's have another take. Take 13. Cut. It's not supposed to be reversed. Let's try again. Let's just try the logo already. Take 14. Cut. It's not supposed to be in ping pong mode. Let's try again. Take 15. Cut. That's the wrong music. It's supposed to have the right music. Let's try again. Take 16.
It's not supposed.
Cut. it's not supposed to be playing all over again. Take 17. Cut. You're not supposed to be muting the music. Let's try again. Take 18.
Oh God.
Oh God, no, major cut. It's not supposed to go fast. And I think you put the music high pitched. Let's try again. Take 18. I meant take 19, sorry.
Oh God.
Oh God, major cut. It's not supposed to go slow in the speed of times 2. And I think you made the music a little low pitched. That kind of looks like this. Anyways, let's try again. Take 20.
Cut. It's not.
Cut. It's not supposed to be mirrored. It's supposed to have one picture. Take 21.
Oh God.
Oh God, major cut. It's not supposed to be Luigi group. It's not supposed to be red. And I think you made the music a little low pitched. Let's try it again. Take 22.
Oh God.
Oh God, no, major cut. It's not supposed to go super slow. And I think you made the music low pitched. Let's try it again. Take 23.
Oh God.
Oh God, no, major cut. It's not supposed to go fast. Major cut. It's not supposed to be super fast. And it's not supposed to be dot, 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 dot mode. And I think you made the music a little bit high pitched. Try again. Take 24. Okay. Turn down your volume or you'll be in dead meat. Major cut. Dot. Are you okay? I'm alright. I think I hit super ultra extremely hard. We'll have to get a new one. Let's take 25. Cut. That's the wrong music. It's supposed to have the right music. Let's try it again from the top again. Take 26. I've got to sneeze. Cut. It's not supposed to be super dark. I can't even see you. You can see me. Well, well, well. Let's try it again. Take 27. Oh, major cut. It's not supposed to be fast. And it's not supposed to be in G major 17. And I think you made the music high pitch. Let's try it again. Take 28. Cut. Dot. Are you okay? I'm okay. It looks like some stranger hit me in the face and I bumped my head. Ah, looks like we'll have to get it. Looks like we'll have to take you to the hospital. Let's do that. Let's have another shot. Take 29. Number. Cut. It's not supposed to be fatter. It's not supposed to be G major 17 form. And I think there's not supposed to be lower pitch is and high pitches. It's supposed to be normal. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's have another shot. Take 30.
Cut.
Cut. Dot. You're not supposed to the camera is not supposed to be moved when Dot touches the screen. It's supposed to be normal. Sorry about that. It's okay, camera. Let's take 31. Cut. It's not supposed to be way too zoom. You're not supposed to use www.bandicam.com. Whoops. Sorry about that. Let's take 32. Cut. Dot. Are you okay? I'm okay. Caillou punched me in the face.
Yeah.
Did you just punch Dot in the face? Tell me the truth. Now.
Yes.
How could
How could you punch my best friend Dot? That's it. You are grounded for 1,000 million trillion thousand decillion 758,000 years. Go upstairs to your room right now. Alright, now for the last one, but this is your warning, Dot. What is it? If you screw up again, then you're fired. Do you understand, Dot? Yes. And what the bloopers you done? You broke the camera. Next blooper. It was Nickelodeon. Next blooper. It was Cartoon Network. Next blooper. The image was mirrored. And next blooper, it was, also, if you screw this up, you're grounded just like Caillou. Anyways, it was Homer Simpson. Then the Class Geek Suppo robot came. And then, and then, you actually knocked down the camera. And then you did all this chaos. I can't believe you did all this chaos, just like I'm not saying why. And I just said you're not supposed to use bandicam.com. Sorry about that. How about we try the last take?
Yeah.
Did you punch Dot in the face?
Yeah.
How could you hurt Dot? That's it. You're grounded for 5 days. Go to your room now. Alright, let's try one more time. Screw this up and you're grounded just like Taylor.
Wait, did she screw this up? Let me check the camera. I guess she did not screw this up. Then you are ungrounded. Great job. Yay! Yay! Dots and Dash will be super happy about this. That is perfect. That is going on the station ID for one of your ending shows of PBS Kids. Yay! Good job. Good job. You did a good job. This is like 12 minutes and 42 seconds of the PBS Kids .id logo blooper video. I did not know it was that long. Well, good job, Dot. You did it. 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 Great job, sissy. Great job. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more bloopers. Like Kleski Chupo, B.A.D., Renny Edge Axe Animation, Cartoon Network, PBS Kids, Spiffy Pictures, The Magic Store Wild Brain, and more logos that I have never even done in my life. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are perfectly best users I've seen on YouTube. I did it. I did the first PBS Kids .id bloopers. I did this long. And I did this just long. But anyways, once again, see you guys next time. But once again, bye. This is going on the station ID.